You want to go to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. Now once you're in the Task Manager, you want to right click on name and then click on GPU. GPU should now appear right here. If your GPU usage or your CPU usage is over 80%, so 80 to 100%, and your computer is idle, it means that something is wrong. So you want to select either CPU or GPU, which will show you everything that's taken up your GPU or CPU usage in order. If you see anything suspicious, you want to right click on it, and then you could either search online to see where it is, or you can open the file location. After you search online, if you find anything shady, I recommend right clicking on it, and then open file location, and then delete everything in the folder. You could also boot into safe mode, and then do a virus scan, either with Microsoft Defender Antivirus, or by using Malwarebytes. Another thing you could try, you can open up your web browser like Chrome or Edge, then you want to click on Shift and Escape on your keyboard. It will then pull up the Task Manager. If you see anything suspicious that's using high CPU or GPU usage, you want to click on it and you want to end the task. If you're still getting issues, then you want to reset your computer.